well-trained workforce is essential to maximize your equipment investment and achieve optimal process performance. Workforce changes due to retirement, turnover, or expansion require training new hires. And changes in equipment requires training existing operators on new technology. We understand that training can be expensive and time-consuming. So we now offer engaging and effective online training at a fraction of the cost of in-person training. No need to travel for these self-paced courses that can be taken whenever time allows from anywhere in the world using a desktop or any mobile device. ITW EAE courses are narrated and interactive with video and animations, making learning much easier to grasp than a written manual. Each course includes a quiz to confirm training was fully understood. Courses are available in English and Spanish, and all include closed captioning. Courses cover installation, machine overview, process overview, safety, operation, programming, calibration, troubleshooting, maintenance, and repair. For more information, just send us an email or visit our website. The links are in the description.